make it ease. It makes a really high thing. I know that it's black, it's because I didn't want to, it's dark, and I just didn't want to show my face. You guys would forget my face, I just wanted you guys to hear my voice. And I just now tried this out, and I just heard myself say something, so now I know what I actually sound like, and I want to see their guys' reactions and see if you guys think that's funny or something. When I laugh, talk, or do something else, so I'm going to show you something like that. So when I laugh, it goes like, well, and then when I just talk, you can hear me talking the whole time. It might be a little fast, but it has like a squeak to it, which is really funny. Sounds like a chipmunk. Even though I've never knew chipmunks never talk, but I feel like it sounds like that because if you see Alvin and chipmunks, it sounds like that. And I just wanted to tell you guys about the app, and it's really funny. If you guys you just test yourself first on audio, and then you can see the video. You do this with audio, video, you press on video, and yeah, but it's really funny. So it's really fun and funny because you hear yourself talk in a high voice, and you get to see the video.